They actually they don't go through a free trade broker. They fly down to a co-opted by purchasers themselves. They pay as much, if not more, to the farmer, and they think they can get a better supply that way. So you know, we would try to determine whether we want to go directly to the farm or what. Yeah, we've had a lively debate about how important that is, and it really depends. There are people that I think the product, they love the product. That doesn't resonate with them. They like it, but it's not a decision manufacturer. There's people that find it right and not doing it is a real problem.
The Xococlatl taste test in downtown Boston at the City Hall Farmers Market, and I'm speaking with Teresa. And Teresa's had opportunity to taste all three of our minimally processed chocolate beverages. Teresa, what did you like or not like about it?
I really like, honestly, I liked all of them in general. But one thing I think that could be improved, there's none that I didn't like. That was
Did you catch any of that?
I think they could be improved more if they were slightly thicker, but that's my own personal preference.
Okay.
One of all of them, I liked the spicy one the best. That had the best kick. It was the one that I've experimented with in the past, and it was absolutely wonderful. The one thing I would say, again, I would go a little bit more on everything. I've been really good about all of these. You said, what, 3 tablespoons? No, teaspoons of sugar and cloves?
Yeah, absolutely, just to sort of take the edge off, so you get a smooth taste of the chocolate complexity without having to be distracted by the bitterness.
I would, in my personal opinion, I would maybe bump that up to 3.5 or 4, just the slightest bit more. The unsweet one was absolutely fantastic. The spicy one was really good. Again, maybe a little bit more spiciness, but from the rest of the people I know, they're like, oh my gosh, this is so spicy. I guess I have a different opinion.
Me, you could burn my mouth and it wouldn't be hot enough, so I like spicy. All right, well great. Is there a certain time of the day that you envision yourself drinking this?
I would probably do this in mid-morning or early evening. That's what I would do. Maybe even late after a really nice meal, probably dessert. I would like to do that. Just maybe something very sweet to offset the great bitterness or the smooth complexity of the stuff.
Okay. Great. And where do you envision yourself potentially buying this? So we're thinking about a storefront. Do you see yourself potentially buying it in a storefront, or is it bottled beverage, or?
A storefront would probably be best. I would really like to see a cafe. I would like somewhere that I could go and I could actually purchase this product with a really nice ambiance. That would be wonderful. However, if I could pick this up at a local market or farmers market like we are right now, I'd be thrilled about it. I'm all about the local experience.
Great. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
This one's actually of the two that you don't yet, these are the only ones. And this one actually is
Yeah, maybe a little more. I could, maybe not as much. I don't know.
The other thing I want you had this one, and this is the one that's showing it.
People are not. Do they call you when they come home?
Yeah. That's just
Oh yeah.
nobody only.
And then she was like really slow, like asking me, and then back me out.
About the what?
No, it's a good product. Definitely something new in the marketplace.
I haven't seen it before. Where you could, because obviously you cook for a living. I used to do it for a living. I still do it. Yeah, that's right. My condolences. Right. That's right. You're still alive. You kick it.
Yeah, right.
If you could buy the things that you need to do it, you could buy relatively inexpensively in that way. You could buy the cocoa beans. The art of it actually buy them. Do it. You make it yourself? Yeah.